Welcome back to the 3D playbook. So in today's lecture we will model this clamping knob in Autodesk Inventor 2027. This is how it looks like. There are two features: the top, which looks like a handle, a grip, and the bottom for holes to be fit. And this is a 6-edge shape, means star shape. So we also have a drawing for this. Look, a drawing sheet for this, the overall dimensions, the height, and also there is a section from the middle. A section is also given here. So how we gonna make that? Let's go find this and model this. Control N for the new file, select standard template, start 2D sketch. We will model this from bottom, so it's simply choose the easy explain because it's not complex and it's easier. Let me draw a circle, select dimension, give dimension to the circle as 80 millimeter. Let me finish sketch, go back to the drawing sheet. This was 80 millimeter, the overall, the biggest one, diameter, and the extrusion will go to, the overall height is 40, so the extrusion for the top surface will be 20 millimeter. Let me select this, let me drag it down and type 20 here. Okay, go back to the drawing sheet. There is also a radius, I just missed that. Let me just zoom in and draw like this, radius 5 at both sides, also here and also here. So I will just simply choose fillet here and select this, type 5 here and also here. Okay, go back to the drawing sheet. At PCD 90 millimeter, we have to draw a radius 15 and cut. Let me select this face, create sketch here. Let me draw a circle like this. Let me select dimension 90. Okay, and let me turn this circle into construction. Let me project geometry, and we also need an axis so we can perfectly lie our sketch vertically. So now select a circle, look here, let me select radius and type 15 here. Okay, let me finish sketch, select extrude, select this circle through all and cut. Okay, let me select fillet also for this, fillet 5. Okay, now go to the pattern and select this circular pattern because we're gonna draw more type of features, this type. So I will just simply choose extrude and fillet and select direction. This is the direction and the quantity is 6. Let me select. Okay, select all of this and give it some color. Go to the default at top and I will select blue for this one. Now create sketch at the bottom because we need to draw a bottom feature in this one. 40 millimeter diameter and the extrusion will go to 20. Let me select a circle, draw a circle like this, 40, and finish sketch. Select extrude, in the downward direction type 20 here. Okay, finish sketch, select this edge and the chamfer is 3 millimeter as given in the drawing sheet. cancel. Let me just show you where is the chamfer. Look, chamfer of 3mm means 3 by 3. Okay, go back to the part, select the latest extrusion, chamfer, go to the default and select the color. For this I will choose generic here because it looks good. Okay, go back to the, let me just close the older part. This is the current part we are drawing. So in this direction there is a hole like this, and also a hole from the bottom to this surface 10mm. I will just simply rotate, start sketching here, select a circle like this. Let me choose diameter 10, finish sketch, extrude. Let me use cut to the surface, this surface. It will cut the hole to this surface. It will not extend this surface or feature or body. So let me select OK. Now select a plane. Let me go back to the drawing sheet. There is also a hole. Look, this one 8mm diameter to the center. It is not a through hole, but it will go to the center and it will end. Let me select dimension and select the center point. It is 10mm above from the bottom, and I will choose plane against this, any knob, any corner of the star. So let me select plane, this, no, not this one. Let me select plane. This is the tangent surface and the plane we want to create to parallel to this plane. Okay, look, perfect. Let me start sketching here to this plane, project geometry, and we need an axis because we want to fix our point vertically. So I will just choose a point like this. Let me project geometry, this surface. Let me select dimension, and it was 10mm from the bottom. Let me finish sketch. Let me just rotate a little bit. Let me hide this plane. Let me choose a hole, simple hole, 8mm. Let me select to the surface. Let me just zoom in to this surface. It will not extend more, so let me select OK for this. Look, so this was our today's part. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Just comment down your suggestions for what should I make in the next video. Like the videos, watch the videos till the end because I need your support. And thanks for watching.